लाभ लेकर। हमें उस दिन का इंतजार है जब आप आएंगे 3 फिगर डिविडेंड साथ लेकर। और जरा बताइए कि आप क्या ग्रोथ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं रेवेन्यूज और प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी में, जबकि कंपनी इज इन एडवांस स्टेट ऑफ एक्वायरिंग लैंड एट कृष्णापट्टनम पोर्ट फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ लिक्विड स्ट्रॉन्ग टैंक्स। बाकी जैसा कि आपने भी सबको मुबारक दी है, अभी बहुत सारे त्योहार आ रहे हैं, सबकी शुभकामनाएं देते हुए मैं कहूँगी मुस्कुराती रहे आपकी जिंदगी, सहारा जी दुआ है मेरी, आपका संसार में बोलबाला रहे, आपकी मुस्कुराहट से जग में उजाला रहे। इसी के साथ धन्यवाद देती।
Now we are happy that warehousing facility will be at 16 locations in Madhya Pradesh and additional capacity of 2 lakh tons will be added. So my compliments for that. Now the land will be acquired at Krishnapatnam port. Now kindly let us know in which district it is, the town is there, and in which state. So kindly let us increase our geographical knowledge. The Krishnapatnam is in which district, in which state. Now let us see the figure of foreign exchange. The earning is 22 crores and the foreign exchange used is 480 crores. India needs foreign exchange very badly. Now we see the rupee is falling down and down. So we should rise to the occasion, increase our exports so that our import is not costly. We will also benefit greatly and our country will also benefit greatly. So we should make great efforts for increasing our exports. Please let us know how much amount you have spent during the year 2012-13 for various community welfare activities under CSR.
जो अपना ही ग्रुप का जो है रुचि सोया ने जो फैक्ट्री विजिट किया, तो ये अगस्त में मीटिंग का, जुलाई अगस्त में, जब अगस्त में क्या हम लोग का तो मीटिंग का एनालिसिस का काम है, था हम लोग को तो मीटिंग काफ़ी रहती है वो टाइम में आप रख। और दूसरा ये रेनी सीजन है, अभी इतना बारिश में पनवेल में, न्यू बॉम्बे में जाना, आप लोग को भी अरेंज करने में तकलीफ है, हम लोग को भी आने जाने में तकलीफ है। तो आपको अक्टूबर के बाद करना है, जो ठंडी का मौसम है, खुशनुमा मौसम रहता है, अक्टूबर से जाए फरवरी के बीच में किया तो थोड़ा एंटरटेन भी होता है कि विजिट किया ऐसा है। तो आप अगर आपका ही ग्रुप का कंपनी है तो आप कंपनी विजिट कीजिए, और वो भी अक्टूबर से फरवरी मार्च के बीच में कीजिए तो सुविधा रहेगा। थैंक यू।
ये जो भी आपने सुझाव दिए हैं कि हम उसको बरसात के सीज़न में नहीं रखें या कोई बाहर विज़िट करें तो उसका कुछ चार्ज कर लें, या सबको पर 40 लोग को नहीं ले जाएं, ज़्यादा लोग को ले जाएं, ऑल दीज सजेशंस आई हैव नोटेड आउट एंड आई कैन एश्योर यू दैट आई विल टेक अप टू माय पीपल, माय सेक्रेटरी एंड माय स्टाफ एंड फाइंड ए गुड सॉल्यूशन। बिकॉज यदि फैक्ट्री कंपनी को फैक्ट्री विजिट ऑर्गेनाइज करनी है, सो इट शुड बी suitable for the shareholders also. So we'll take into consideration all the suggestions what you have made to me and find a proper solution. Regarding the dividend, which was a pertinent question from everybody, see this the net profit for the current year has reduced because of high taxation, and we have a expansion plan that we have to build up storage warehousing facility in Madhya Pradesh and a storage terminal in Krishnapatnam. So we tried to had a reasonable dividend. We wanted to continue the dividend track record of the company, so we maintained that. Now Krishnapatnam is in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and it is a very it's the state which serves Tamil Nadu and Karnataka in central location, and it is a newly private port. So we are building up storage tanks there. We are applied for the land, and this will increase our storage business. In the Madhya Pradesh government, this warehousing, there is a shortage of warehousing because we have wheat production, and there is not enough warehousing in the state. So government came with this policy for the warehousing. Since we are already established warehousing company in Madhya Pradesh at 22 locations, our investment per location is much lower than our competitors. So we have been selected to set up the warehousing facilities, and it will add to our business. I don't want to make a comments on the other issue, but this warehousing has got nothing to do with the NSCL issues. Warehousing is a standard business, and it will be given to Madhya Pradesh government for utilization of grains and other products. Regarding this newspaper, your suggestion is noted. I'll tell my secretary to look after this Free Press Journal or low cost newspaper. Registrar companies also will try to find out from the registrar whether they can service via Bombay, but nowadays there are the communication so fast through emails and even mobile phones and all that. So, but anyway, I'll try to find out what can be done on that. CSR, the group is already involved in CSR. We have a charitable organization in the name of Mahadeshwara Sukra Trust, which did work on empowerment, women empowerment, health and education, and we have regularly health camps and other CSR activities. This our company also will get engaged, and I welcome the initiative and by the government of India that the profit making companies should spend on CSR. It's a great move by Mr. and we welcome that, and we'll also involve and report the complete in our balance sheet from next year. Regarding this storage tank, these storage tanks are being used for chemicals, edible oils and other uses. We have a storage terminal in Cochin which serves also petroleum products also. So, it's various chemicals, liquid and petroleum products. I hope I have replied to most of the questions, and if there is anything. Yeah, surely. All right, Ashish, make sure that all these people who attended should get the balance sheet, correct? Will. Yeah. Any suggestion which is for the improvement for servicing shareholders is welcome.
About the merger, any plans?
Yeah, no, it's a suggestion. I can't make any comments on that, but surely, but I must tell you that the business which we are in, we are examining the possibility of this refinery. Surely, because refinery is the main business of the parent company. We are examining that issue. But the storage business is mostly 60 to 65% given to other customers. So, it's an independent business, and this infrastructure business in the agri sector is a very growing business. There is no gestation period, and it is the need of the day, warehousing, storage tanks at the port, and we got a jetty in Jamnagar. So, all these businesses are very lucrative and businesses, and the company as named stands would like to focus on those businesses. But there is a refinery, yes, that's not a core business. We are going to examine that issue which you suggested also. But the company businesses, and there was a concern on the profitability of the company also, that the margin should go up. So, because in refining business the margins are very low, and if we really stick to our core business or infrastructure, the margin will not be 5%, it will be much more. So, we are examining those issues.
We should go for the ports or looking at the FDI and the retail sector coming in.
Yeah. So, there are a lot of opportunity in agri infrastructure. Because the agriculture is lagging behind, if the country has to grow its GDP to 5 to 8%, agriculture cannot lag behind. So, we are focusing on the infrastructure meant for agriculture sector, and that is the business of the company. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
अपना जो लैंड जो है फ्री वर्ल्ड लैंड वो कहाँ है? 45 crores का जो लैंड है अपने पास.
Those were the time when the land acquisition was very easy also. Now to acquire land is a very difficult process. So, yes, new act and with the awareness of the farmers also. So I think the land is a great asset. Now in this 16 location where we are going to build up the warehousing, the land is already existing. So this land which the company has a great asset and advantage for the future expansion of infrastructure. Thank you very much.
आपका भी कार्ड दे दीजिए।
I propose the RTO.
Thank you very much.
देवड़ा जी कार्ड दे दीजिए।
Second-